This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Chris Hughes. This gorgeous Hardin Valley home has everything and will not last long. The home features 5 bedrooms and 4 baths with custom shelving in the master closet. It has an open floor plan, new paint on the main levels, and custom window coverings including plantation shutters and wood blinds. The kitchen looks into the living area and breakfast nook and features a large island with seating. The large, spacious basement has everything you need, including a space plumbed and wired for a full kitchen. The neighborhood is perfect for those with kids or someone who would enjoy a quiet, friendly neighborhood. It is zoned for all Hardin Valley schools and the kids can play in the fenced backyard or ride bikes along the street, which is a very short distance from a cul-de-sac, perfect for safe play. The home also features ample storage space with garage space in the basement, in addition to 2-car garage. Extra storage along master suite. 4-zone irrigation system installed in front and backyard. For more information, review the details below or contact Chris Hughes at 865-966-1111.